All right, so here's an OTG support test on the Pixel 10 Pro. So basically testing if this supports OTG and if you can connect USB devices like a USB flash drive or a hard drive. So I'm gonna use this adapter and then I'm gonna connect this full-size USB flash drive and see if it's gonna work or if it's gonna connect. There you go. And you can already see it's been detected. So now let's try and open and see. And OTG works, right? So that's confirmation. OTG works. These are all the files and folders inside our USB flash drive. Thanks for watching and good luck.